We just listed this home behind me, and it is a beauty and a fantastic buy. Lots of square feet for the price. So I'm going to take you on a tour of this home and also the neighborhood, Quail Ridge in Kearneysville, West Virginia. I'm Jana Classy, and my husband Paul and I are realtors here in the Eastern Panhandle. One of the things that really impressed me about this home is how clean and well maintained it is, and you'll notice that when you step inside. You enter the home to a bright foyer with hardwood floors. To the right is a study, and to the left is the living room and dining room. There's a large island kitchen with lots of storage and also gas cooking. It opens to a family room with a stone fireplace. The laundry room is on the main level with a half bath. Upstairs, there's 4 roomy bedrooms and a huge master suite. You compare the room sizes of the new construction that's going up, and you'll see what a difference there is. And they are lots more money than this home. So heading down to the lower level, about half of the basement is finished. There's a family room and a full bath down there. So that's about 830 square feet finished in the basement. So you have the other 830 square feet to use as either storage or finish it for even more living space. This home has a total of about 4,837 square feet. And I'll post a link that you can click on to see all the details about this home, including a floor plan. The other great thing about this home is the location. Quail Ridge is an established neighborhood with large homes and bigger lots. So homes are nicely spaced and you're not right on top of your neighbor. And this is an aerial view of Quail Ridge, so you can kind of see the lay of the land. And this is a drive through the neighborhood. You have easy access to Route 9 from this home. It's far enough so you don't get traffic noise, but close enough so you have a short drive to shopping and nearby towns. Kearneysville is less congested and more rural. It's about midway between Charlestown and Martinsburg, about a 12-minute drive to Martinsburg, 15 minutes to Charlestown, 10 minutes to Shepherdstown, and just 5 minutes to the Duffield Mark train stop. Dulles Airport is about an hour away, and if you commute to the DC metro area, you'd be looking at about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on where you're going. And prices in Kearneysville have increased over the last 5 years, as it has in Quail Ridge. 2016 average price in Quail Ridge was just over $200,000, and so far in 2021 the average sold price is $380,000. And there are homes right now in Quail Ridge that are for sale over $500,000. So that average is going to increase as those homes are sold. And as I said, this home has more square footage than most of the newly built homes. And if you'd like more details about this home, we have a page on our website with all the information and also photos. That URL address is meetmeinthepanhandle.com/324 Stratus. That's the address of the home. Okay. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you like the home, and I hope you'll make an appointment to see it. We'd love to show it to you. Okay, thanks. I'll see you next week.